Okay, so here we're going to talk about partial fractions. So let's take a look at an example. So here we got the integral of 4 over x squared plus 5x minus 14 with respect to x. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change the denominator into a simplified form. So the integral of this, and I'm going to find the factors of this by doing x plus 7 times x minus 2, and this is what we have. Now, since we have this in the correct form, we're going to split this. So what we're going to do is just pull this thing out like this, and then we're going to put two unknown variables at the top. So what I'm basically doing here is I'm splitting this thing right here into two different parts, except the thing that is now we need to figure out what A is and what B is in order to add these to become this. So what we can do now is we can multiply x plus 7 times x minus 2 to both sides to make there only have numerators. So we'll have 4 equals a times the x plus 7's cancel out like this, and then we'll have b times x plus 7. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test out some points to solve for our variables. So here we can see that if we plug in a certain x value, one of the variables will cancel out or will zero out. That means we can then solve for the next one. So let's start. We have an x value right here. So when x is equal to 2, this is equal to 0. So let's say x is equal to 2 here. So then we'll plug in all those values. This becomes 0, so it'll just be b times 2 plus 7. So then b will equal 4 over 9 once we solve. Then we can also see that negative 7 here will cancel out the b. So we'll do x equals negative 7 here. So 4 is equal to a times negative 7 minus 2. So then a is equal to negative 4/9. So now we know what these variables are. So if we put these back together, we can also say that negative 4 over 9 x plus 7 plus 4 over 9 x minus 2. So then we can take this and plug it back into our integral. Since we know what 4 over x plus 7 times x minus 2 is equal to, we can put this back in. So now we have the integral of negative 4 over 9 times x plus 7 plus 4 over 9 times x minus 2 with respect to x. So now we can solve for this. So now if we split this up into negative 4 over 9 times x plus 7 with respect to x plus the integral of 4 over 9 times x minus 2 with respect to x, we can solve for this. So we'll have negative 4/9 ln of absolute value x plus 7 plus 4/9 ln absolute value x minus 2, and then plus c. And this would be our answer.